My name's Jim Jowling. I'm the Conservation Research Lab Project Manager. I've been working at the Conservation Lab for the last 22 years. We pride ourselves in conserving our past for our future. The Alamo have a wonderful collection of cannon that date back to the 1830s, and they're very important historically as a symbol to people fighting for freedom in Texas. And these cannon have gone through a tremendous amount. There's numerous coats of paint, they've corroded, and they needed to be cleaned and improved so they can last for future generations. At Texas A&M University, we have a nautical archaeology program and we teach artifact conservation. So graduate students and undergraduate students at the university learn conservation, and then they come out to the lab and they handle artifacts that come from historic sites, and they gain valuable experience hands-on cleaning cannon. And we then return the cannon to the Alamo, where they put on display and the general public can appreciate.